Hey, it's summer, and let's talk about summer skin. We all want smooth, glowing, soft summer skin, right? Well, I've been doing a series here on summer skin. I hope you watch my past ones and future ones. And today I'm going to talk about keeping your cool and protecting your skin and keeping it cool. Of course, in the summer, our skin can get extra sensitive with all the fluctuations in temperature, the higher temperatures, harmful UV rays when we're out in the sun, and then going in and out of air conditioning, pools, excessive sweat and dehydration, lots of stuff. Okay, so here are a few tips. Take cool showers. So, sometimes I don't like a cool shower, but hot showers really can dry out your skin. We're already getting dry skin with all that air conditioning and beach days and stuff. So it's always better just to use warmer or cooler water, I would say, for your skin. Besides, cool water is also better for your blood flow and that skin microcirculation. All right, next, here is a fun DIY you can make, is make a facial mist. So you just get some, that feels so good. Get your skin loving oils. You know, I love essential oils, Young Living ones. I would add frankincense, lavender, ylang ylang, geranium, to name a few, royal Hawaiian sandalwood if you have that, and add some distilled water. And then this is perfect right before bed or right after being in the sun. It just feels so refreshing and good and so easy to make too. So another thing to cool off is make a cooling mist. This is super easy, let me tell you. I grabbed an old peppermint essential oil bottle and added the spray top. And this is great because you just need the water, distilled if you can, or purified, and 1 drop of peppermint. Peppermint is so cooling for you. And if you don't have the old bottle, you can just get any spray bottle. This is perfect to take on hikes, the beach, hot sporting events, you name it. All your summertime things. Just avoid the eyes. Oh, it's so cooling. I love that. Okay, I can't mention summer skin without saying protect yourself with sunscreen, right? So it's so important to have a mineral-based, non-synthetic one using non-nano zinc oxide, because whatever we put on our skin, if you don't know this, it absorbs into our bloodstream. So we have to be careful. Please avoid some of these ingredients. I don't know if I'm going to say them right, but I'll list them in the caption. Oxybenzoin, homosalate, octioxate. These things can cause so much damage, even worse than not being protected with skin cancer, or you might get other cancers. So I love Young Living's mineral one. This is what I've been using for years. It's naturally derived, plant-based, no synthetics, no fake fragrance in there. And the bonuses, they add skin-loving essential oils. So it's a great, just your skin loves it. I wear it every day underneath my makeup. It goes on, blends in really well. Now, a couple other tips. We're out in the outdoors. Let's protect our skin against those critters and bugs. Use insect repellent. Well, important thing with ingredients, again, what you put on is absorbed in your bloodstream. Please avoid DEET and pyrethrum. Did I say that right? But anyway, those, I was just looking up the terrible dangers of it. Now, I grew up using those, but you can get chest pain or wheezing, muscle cramps, skin rashes, blisters, dizziness, disorientation, difficulty concentrating, and potential neurotoxic agents are in there that lead to psychological and behavior abnormalities, and even motor defects, deficits, and learning and memory dysfunction. Yikes. Let's avoid that. So you really don't need those strong, harsh chemicals that smell bad too. This one, again from Young Living, is really works. It has, it's mostly just essential oils and vitamin E oil and sesame seed oil. So it's really moisturizing for your skin. It doesn't have any offensive odor because there's no synthetics, it's plant-based, and no parabens, nothing like that. It can't irritate your skin. So I really recommend this. I love it. Now, and what I've done in the past is, and what I'm gonna do is put it even in a smaller one for on the go, your purse, your backpack too. All right, finally, one more tip for cooling your summer skin is keep your moisturizer and cleanser, even eye treatments in the refrigerator. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. It feels like a treat too. A chilled cleanser or moisturizer, even your masks, will gently soothe your hot skin and keep you feeling cool when the weather warms up. So I hope you like these cooling summer tips for your skin. Make sure you watch my past ones and my future ones, and share this and save it.